And yes, I got the brand new Dragonizer. If you saw my Shark Creek video before this, it was Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, new 2025. Dragonizer is up here. Basically, they tried to copy Bakugan Dragonoid. Yeah, Dragonoid, I'm sorry. Includes Crush Car, which we don't care. They should really change that. Back is the same. Name, Dragonizer, truck type creature, strength, bearded dragon, like bearded dragon, crash attack, dragon bite. I love that black render. I think there's 2 color variants out now. I think this one and a green one, I think. I'm not quite sure. 3D, guys, I'm just playing. Ooh, so, this is a beauty. So here you have it, guys. A brand new Dragonizer for 2025. Wings are like a rubber. The red paint, the flames are nice. Yellow rims and beadlocks, red roll cage. Silver chassis. Look at that dragon face, that's so cool. Isn't that cool, guys? Look at that. Look at those details. Nice yellow bumper, I guess. Rubbery, no, it's rubbery? Yeah, rubbery yellow tail. Really nice. I love this one. So that's all I got today. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get the Barbie one. Or I don't know which one we'll find tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment, share more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoy.